In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix EA Sports FC24 controller not working. Now, first thing you want to do is go to settings. Here, go to Bluetooth. Obviously, make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Go down here. And here you'll go and you should be able to see your controller. If you have it connected, it's going to be something like wireless controller. You should be able to see it. If you don't see it, or if you see it, but you see like a green you don't see the green light, so that means it's not online, then you can go down here and then remove it and then re-add it again and see if this fixes the error. Now what you also can do is you can go down here all the way and click more devices and printer settings. So here you'll be able to see like wireless controllers options here. So if you have the controller connected, you should be able to see these two or maybe multiple, and then you can obviously be able to access the properties. So if you see anything about like a software update or a driver update, make sure you update it. So you want to make sure that you have the latest driver update inside of your wireless controller. Also, if you have issues with the controller, you can right click and then go to troubleshoot and then other troubleshooters. Then here you're gonna see Bluetooth, so you will run the Bluetooth for the Bluetooth troubleshooter, and then this will give you some guides and steps that will guide you and help you if you have any like similar issues as they show you. Now next, you can just close this down here. Next, you will have to go to services, and over here search for Bluetooth. So it should be here. So Bluetooth support service. So make sure the service is selected to automatic and select apply and then OK. Make sure it's also started. So as you can see, it's started. So you would click apply and then OK. If it's, let's say if it's already started, then what you can do is restart it. Click restart to restart the service. And hopefully this fixes the issue. So also try to restart the computer, and that's it.